Chief Electoral Officer katnat election jong Jala Meghalaya uba Frederick Roy Kharkungor hne kasngi ka khatlai tarik ujuleu ulakhot ikinong ilam jong kiseng san perthai ba per ki ba hakani Jala banyam jingmon halor ka jingporong Kyrteng hakathop Kyrteng thap vote ya ki Samla ki balakanjo sha khat pras Snem karta hakaleng ki district jong Jala habakran hakinong pathai khubor hadin ga jelang bar kinong ilam jong kiseng san perthai uba Frederick Roy Kharkungor ulaong ba kani ka jingkhot ya kiseng san perthai kadai katkum ka jingpatha jong ka election commission jong kari bat kumjo ban Pynrung Kyrteng ru ik Samla ki baladai karta ban thap vote katkum karti sanchar jong kari ban panti kana ya ka jing Pynrung Kyrteng ik Samla shan ki bor panya jong katnat election ken salaj Pynrung Kyrteng sundan ha ki Jaka Pule ki beran hakaleng gani ganong ba shilong kumjo ru seki wede ki benta jong ka Jala.
The election commission has instructed each and every office of the chief electoral officer to roll out this program to enroll left out electors, focusing on the first time voters, especially in the age group of 18 to 21. And this special drive is to commence from the 1st of July and will conclude on the 31st of July. And while we have already taken preparatory activities with regard to the schools and colleges, we have launched this program called Mission Unite. This is UNI towards enrollment. So we have covered most of the schools and colleges here in the city, and we have distributed about 11,000 Form 6 so far, and we hope that with the commencing of this special drive, which will start from 1st of July, many claims will come, and that the respective DO's offices will be able to in fact dispose, and we will be able to increase the the level of enrollment. However, our concern, which we shared with the political parties, is that there are many non-student youths also who are 18 to 21, youths who are probably not in the campuses, not in the schools and colleges, youths who are doing some livelihood activity. They could be doing some business, some kind of petty business, or they could be doing some other livelihood activity, driving taxis or some other things. So we have requested the political parties to ensure that they join hands with us so that this deficit is bridged. And also we have asked them, we have requested them that booth level agents, BLAs, which are to be deployed by each and every political party, should be actively part of this enrollment process. From Election Commission, they have put two dates. One is 9th and 22nd of July. 8th. Like in our case, it will be 8th and 22nd of July, because they fall on Saturday. For other states, they fall on Sunday. But for us, the dates of the campaign that which we have requested from the ACI is 8th and the 22nd, because they fall on a Saturday. So on these dates, there will be special enrollments. There will be special enrollment drives at each and every cluster, so that these disposal of claims can be done. And to touch a little on this Mission Unite, there will be this enrollment process will take place at the respective campuses, at the respective school and college campus, so that the student is not inconvenienced. Normally what happens is that when Form 6 is filled, then the student has to go to the DC's office, and then they have to wait for a lot of time to get themselves enrolled for hearing and to complete the procedural formalities. But here we have engaged with the heads of schools and the heads of institutions, and we have also encouraged them that they should have nodal teachers, so that the Form 6 can come through the nodal teachers to the to the students, and then the students can then complete that process of filling the forms, and then the disposal of claims can also happen within the campuses.